You want to change the country on your eBay app but have no clue where to even start? Maybe you just moved or you just realize after setting everything up that eBay is still stuck in the wrong region? Super annoying, right? But don't worry, this is hands down one of the easiest and quickest tutorial you'll find. I'll walk you through step by step how to change your country on the eBay app. And yes, it will only take a few minutes, so let's get into it. So first, open your eBay app. It's the one with the colorful logo on a white background. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom bar and tap on My eBay. It's the little icon that looks like a person down in the corner. Now, scroll on the way down until you see Settings. Go ahead and tap that. Next, look for the option called Country or Region. You will see the country it's currently set to in blue text. Tap that. Now, here's the part that confuses people. If the auto detect switch is blue, eBay is choosing your country for you. So first, turn that off. Tap the switch to make it black and white. Once it's off, you will now be able to scroll through and pick your country manually. Let's say you're in the Philippines. Go ahead and select Philippines from the list. Once you do that, the app will refresh. Now, when you search for items, eBay will only show you things that can be shipped to Philippines. And a quick heads up, depending on the country, you might see extra shipping costs, taxes, or import fees. For example, if you click on an item like a belt, it will show the price in your local currency, shipping fees, and how long it will take to arrive. Sometimes the shipping can take a few weeks, so always check before buying. And that's it. That's how you change your country in the eBay app. Fast, easy, and no tech skills needed.